Hello guys, welcome to this live stream. So in this live stream, I will actually show you an application that I developed inside the Next.js, which actually allows you to generate UPI QR codes. So it basically supports each and every UPI app that supports in India, which is Paytm, Google Pay, Phone Pay, and Beam UPI, Amazon Pay as well. So this is a kind of application which works in India and also in selected countries which uses Amazon Pay or Google Pay as well. So here is actually the application. It is publicly accessible, guys. You can go to my website freemediatools.com/UPI QR code generator. This is actually the tool that I added. If you go to my website freemediatools.com, if you just navigate to the section, you can see that Paytm and Google Pay UPI QR code generator. So many a times you need to actually, if you own a shop, you need to accept payments. So for that, you need to actually generate QR code for your own shop. So what you will do, inside this application, we have the pay merchant name, UPI ID you need to fill out, transaction amount and description. So basically you can fill out your pay name. Let me fill out my details, you will see. And then the UPI ID. So this can be your own UPI ID you need to replace here. And then the transaction amount, this is not necessary. These options are not necessary but optional. So you can just provide them. If you don't provide them, then also it will be fine. And now generate QR code. So as you generate this QR code, it will actually generate this random QR code for you. And there is also a download button as well. If you click the download button, your QR code will be downloaded as a PNG image. Now you can open this image. You will see that now you can actually get the hard copy of this image, and actually you can use it inside your shop so that users coming in can directly pay you. And if you now want to pay it, let me show you the video. You can navigate to any Paytm app. You can see that inside the phone, the user will directly pay you by scanning this QR code right here from their mobile phone. And you can see that mine is coming right here. You will see that official this is my main UPI ID right here, and they can directly pay you. You can see that. So automatically we have filled 500 right here. So it is filled directly 500. You can also put the transaction amount. So it will automatically, the money will be automatically be pre-filled for the user. So if you want the accept payment 2000, 3000 specific amount, you can use this website, guys, the tool that I developed, and it is developed inside Next.js, and we are actually using HTML2 canvas library. Let me show you the project. This is actually the full source code of this project. If you are interested in purchasing this, first of all, you can try out the live demo. The link is given in the description. If you are interested, the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase the full source code from my website procodestore.com. After you purchase it, you will be getting this zip file where you can actually extract the zip file. You will get this zip file right here. You need to simply extract it, and you can see I'm running it on you can also run it locally as well inside your machine. So you can simply open it right here, and simply, if you want to, first of all you need to npm I, so install all the modules. So just invoke this command before you start this application. So when you extract the content of the zip file, simply execute this npm I command. And I already installed so we can simply run this development server by executing the command, which is npm run dev. So this will actually start your development server on localhost 3000. So you can directly open localhost 3000, and this will actually start your Next.js application. It will compile it and it will run it. This you will see that. So now the application is running. You will see the same thing. So you can see that you can download it. This is your QR code that is there. So this is the live demo, guys. You can try out inside. The tool is given, the link is given in the description. So Just need to fill out the details. You will get a QR code. You can just use this QR code right here. So this is actually the script, guys, and we are actually using dependencies, such as we are using this Next.js version, which is 13.2.4. HTML to canvas we are also using, and that's all. We are using this dependency React QR code for actually generating the QR code inside your Next.js application. And apart from that, we have various this is actual code right here, and you can see that this is actual code that we have inside. It is coded inside TypeScript. If you notice, we have used TypeScript for this TSS. So if you want to compile this application, it is very simple. If you want to deploy it, simply run the command npm run build. This is a command npm run build. So this will build out your application. It will actually create the next folder right here, this folder. So it will actually compile all the assets. And one other command I have given, if you don't want to deploy this on DigitalOcean, if you only want to deploy it as a static website on a ordinary hosting, then I have given a second command in the package.json file, which is npm run export. So for this command to work, you need to first of all build your project by this command npm run build, and now secondly you will run this command npm run export. So this will actually convert your Next.js application into a static website so that you can deploy this on any hosting plan. It will create this out directory. You will see that out directory. So here it will actually create your index.html file, and here you can actually deploy this inside a hosting plan, and or you can use it inside Node.js as well. Simply create an express server and you can host it. So this is actually the application, guys. If you are interested in purchasing it, the link is given in the description, and so you can directly purchase it. And thank you very much for watching this video, guys. If you like it, please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next live stream.